Hey guys, this is Jackspot from Windows Phone Hacker, and today I'm going to show you the latest version of the Windows Phone 7 emulator, but unlocked and running copy and paste. So, just to sort of give a quick demo of what copy and paste looks like, let's see if we can head over to Office and make a new note. Just type whatever we want in here. And then we should be able to just click on the word, and then we get the copy icon, press copy, and then wherever we want it we can click paste, and there, cut and paste. So copy and paste pretty much has its ups and downs right now. If we go to Internet Explorer, for example, by clicking on the address bar, you instantly get the copy button. You can copy that and then say head over to messaging and paste it right into your conversation. But in Internet Explorer as well, you can click on any text on the page, drag your arrow to make your selection, copy it, and head over to messaging, email, wherever, and of course you can paste it. Now, an important thing to add, which we can show in Internet Explorer, is that these dragging bars for the selection are really quite small, and you can sort of drag a bit to the right to adjust them, but it's not entirely finger friendly. We'll have to see what it looks like and how it feels on an actual device, but from this we kind of wish there was a magnifying option like on the HD2, iPhone, or perhaps even Android devices. Another interesting thing to point out is this is not actually copying and pasting, this is cut and pasting, meaning you can copy it and head over and paste it anywhere you want. But by doing so, it will remove it from the clipboard, and you can't copy it or paste it anywhere else without recopying the text and, again, pasting it. So that's a little bit of an annoyance, but it shouldn't be too bad. Again, this works in a variety of different places. Office works, messaging works, of course. Something interesting, though, if you were to say text someone, I'll send this to a dummy address because, of course, it won't actually send. You can actually copy their message, the entire message, and then paste it elsewhere, such as in the conversation or in another conversation or wherever. So say if someone were to send you a phone number, we'll just make one up real quick. If you were to receive a phone number in a text, you can of course click on it to take you to the dialer. Or you can hold it down, press copy, and send it off to someone else in a different conversation. You can also of course paste it in the to line, etc. So this will be useful for things like addresses or whatever. Also, if someone were to send you a fairly long message, such as, we're just going to make something up. There doesn't seem to be a way to actually select different pieces of their message, which is a bit of a downside, but technically speaking, you can copy it, paste it wherever you want it, and then drag the selection bars to delete stuff. So say if there is an address embedded in the middle of a message, you can still get to it and paste it into your search application, which we'll show right now. So we're going to go ahead and copy this fake phone number we made up and head straight over to Bing and see if we get any Bing results there. So we can just click paste right there and search. And of course there's no results because it's a made up phone number. But you know, if you needed to find directions or just look something up real quick, that works pretty well. Of course, you can't, since this is the Bing application, you can't actually copy any of the results, though if you were on Bing's website or Google, you could easily copy things from there. Just a quick note, you also can't copy things that aren't in text boxes, such as these labels right here. Clicking on them and holding does nothing, and clicking on them, of course, just takes you over to the playlist. So you won't be able to copy and paste your artists, but that's really not a big deal, and you wouldn't want to be able to copy everything in an application, so that implementation's pretty good. Alright, so we're going to try getting directions from maps. So we're going to find a fairly public place. We're going to head over to Google and figure out the White House's address and copy it into the Maps application. So just real quick, Alright, so here we are on Google just to take a look at what this would look like. And this link is actually created by Google, I believe, just as part of their smart linking functionality. But we can go ahead and select this and press copy, hit start, and head back over to Maps. And paste. And there we are, evidently where the White House is. And of course you can zoom in, search around, etc. So copy and pasting directions works just fine. So again, anything with text boxes you can easily copy and paste from. Some areas also feature, such as Internet Explorer, the ability to select whatever's on the screen. But for the most part, any text box that you find, even on any included marketplace applications, will have the ability to copy and paste. Thanks for watching, and you can find more information about the unlocked emulator inside the description.